Welcome to the Regis Science Department. Our goal is to foster a better understanding of our universe and an appreciation for the scientific method. The Regis Science curriculum is taught using college textbooks and prepares students for the SAT subject tests without compromising our focus on a solid theoretical understanding of the material.
Students begin their Regis Science experience with life, studying the foundations of biology and how life on our planet develops, functions, and evolves. They study the complex relationships between organisms and their environments in detail. Students learn the history of the biological sciences, including the development of Darwin's theory of evolution and how our understanding and classification of organisms have changed over time. Students explore life on both the micro and macro scales. They begin the year by learning about the cellular respiration and DNA replication processes, and end with the human respiratory, circulatory, immune, and nervous systems. Teachers supplement classroom lessons with laboratory experience, which helps prepare students for scientific research and writing later in their Regis and perhaps professional careers.
In their sophomore year, students transition into chemistry, learning about the atomic interactions that ultimately build the world around us. The chemistry curriculum is organized around a central theme. The properties of matter are a consequence of structure. Students investigate how the fundamental structure of atoms dictates the way atoms combine to form compounds and the interactions between matter and energy. Emphasis is placed on the utilization of mathematical, analytical, and communication skills through an inquiry-based approach. The course de-emphasizes purely descriptive chemistry and the memorization of facts, and instead focuses on visualizing chemical processes in the laboratory and understanding the scientific models used to describe them.
In their junior year, students learn the principles of physics and the way in which they dictate how the universe around us works. They begin by exploring one-dimensional and two-dimensional motion and illustrate scientific theories through practical experiments. As the year progresses, students delve into more complex topics, such as the behavior of light and the relationship between electricity and magnetism. As with all other science courses offered, the laboratory experience is essential. Throughout the year, students practice utilizing data analysis software to interpret information recorded by sensors.
The Regis Science experience extends beyond these three courses. As seniors, students may continue studying any of these fields through elective courses that tackle more advanced topics. Courses offered include advanced biology, advanced chemistry, advanced physics, and psychology. Additionally, beginning in sophomore year, students who demonstrate exceptional interest and initiative can apply to develop their own science research project. This is an additional class beyond their required course of study which can continue through senior year. It is research and lab-oriented, requiring students to study under mentors inside and/or outside of Regis, conduct their own experiments, and present their results in the annual Science Symposium in the spring. Even after the school day comes to a close, the science does not stop. Regis offers a diverse selection of science-related clubs that allow students to pursue individual passions in particular areas beyond their regular course of study. Among these clubs are the Astronomy Society, Medical Science Club, Engineering Club, Science Olympiad, and Aquatic Science Club. We hope you enjoyed learning about the Regis Science Department and our curriculum. We look forward to working with your sons in class.